I've seen a lot of good MagSafe cases, but also a lot that were very bad. So when I saw this one, I was immediately hyped. This one has the most awesome packaging I've ever seen. But of course, the price tag is there too. Coming in at $69, this one is not cheap. They use a lot of magnets on here, so it feels like the most premium case you'll ever buy if you're into MagSafe. The design is very original. The first one here is the crystal, which is half clear case. I'm very glad they didn't make the whole case clear case though, because then it would have been very slippy. But now it's the perfect combination of looks and practicality. They include this middle puck too, which they call Rock Lock, and they have all kinds of accessories for it too, if you need that extra safety. But trust me when I say this is easily the best MagSafe case out there. They say it's about 4 or 5 times stronger than a regular case, and you can really feel that. It's sometimes even hard to get it off. Now they have the MagSafe ring, a middle magnet in there, and even a lower plate magnet in the section beneath it. So it's really overkill on the magnets, but I love it. I'm so glad I found this case, and if you're a fan of UAG, these cases are very similar. But of course, the upgraded version. Those plates on the edges look so good. You can clearly see the corners are given extra attention when it comes to this case. Now, although there is nothing wrong with the buttons on the crystal case, the rocked case did it better. The buttons on that one are so easy to press, you can really see that they had gloves in mind too. And it looks awesome. So if you like to ride your bike in the weekends or even go to work with it, this case is definitely for you. The carbon fiber look on the back is great too. And the inner of this case has this squishy foam for extra shock absorption. Now on both of these models there is a subtle camera bump, but it's enough to protect it. And because of it, the case can completely lay flat. So that's very good thinking there. The only downside is that on the rocked case you can clearly see the magnet beneath the MagSafe ring, which from a design standpoint could have been better. Other than that, this case is awesome. And coming from someone who has seen nearly every case, I can say that this case is definitely worth your money. Thank you so much for watching this video. I can already tell you're into the finer things in life, so why not subscribe? I'll keep you up to date with what's new in the tech world and give you my unfiltered opinion. For now though, have a fantastic day.